Hi guys, get on in here. We do have a new product alert by Mented Cosmetics. They just launched their Color Intense Eyeshadow Sticks. Of course, the packaging is sleek. You guys don't have to worry about sharpening this product. As you guys can see, the swatches went on so creamy and so pigmented. They do have matte and shimmer shades. The shades are Deja Brew, Pretty Penny, Rosy Posy, and Better Off Bronze. Now, if you guys don't know, this is a Black-owned, vegan, and cruelty-free cosmetic brand. Now let's get on to this eye. I wanted to show you guys a graphic glossy lid. I'm using Deja Brew as the liner, and you guys can create this eye in less than 5 minutes. That's how easy it is to use these products. Now going in with Pretty Penny in the inner corner, which is a very gorgeous, pretty pinky color. It's so pretty. And then I'm going to go in with Rosy Posy over the whole entire lid and blend that out. And then I'm going to top it off with the Pink About Me gloss. Now I want to show you guys how to get the bang for your buck. And I'm going to be using this product for my lips. This might be my favorite lip liner now. I'm using Deja Brew as a lip liner. As you guys can see, it's so gorgeous on the lips. And then I'm going to go on top of that with the Pink About Me gloss again, finishing off my face with the Clay Too Much blush and then their mascara. Y'all, this whole look came together. You guys can achieve big looks. This product is deeply pigmented, increase proof, budge proof, waterproof, lasts up to 10 hours. Go get it now.